देखने की क्रिकेट में क्या क्या मुकाबले देखने को मिलते हैं। और हम अकील की बात कर रहे थे, विकेट अपना गंवा चुके हैं, एक बेहतरीन एक्टर हैं और क्रिकेटर भी अच्छे हैं, पर आज किस्मत ने उनका साथ नहीं दिया।
Akhil, we all know is a hard-working guy, and we should know that he is Nagarjuna's son, and we all know that how Nagarjuna is a hard-working superstar of this state as well.
उनकी माताजी भी एक वेल नोन एक्ट्रेस हैं, आमला, जो एक बहुत ही अच्छी मूवी में आ चुकी हैं कमल हसन के साथ। नाम याद आते ही आपको बताऊंगा उस मूवी का नाम क्या था। पुष्पक 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 उस मूवी का नाम था। एक यादगार मूवी है, साइलेंट मूवी थी वो। क्या भूमिका निभाई थी उन्होंने।
उस मूवी का शूटिंग हुआ था बैंगलोर में, and definitely there was a one more movie which Nagarjuna and Miss Amla Paul acted, that's called Criminal.
जी, और एक कोशिश करी अच्छा शॉट खेलने की, पर इंटरसेप्टेड बाय द फील्डर। नागार्जुन रामगोपाल वर्मा की पहली फिल्म में आए थे, शिवा नाम था उस मूवी का, और उसी मूवी से उनकी पहचान बनी। तो उसके बाद बन गए वो सुपरस्टार।
Absolutely, absolutely, and we all know that what's his contribution towards the industry.
ऑफसाइड की तरफ प्लग करते हुए क्या फील्डर इसे इंटरसेप्ट करेगा, और एक आसान सा सिंगल। सुधीर ने भी अपना खाता खोल लिया है, और प्रिंस तेलुगु वॉरियर्स की पारी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए। पावर प्ले समाप्त हो चुके हैं, चौथा ओवर चल रहा है और लक्ष्य ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है। 48 रनों की दरकार है, 40 गेंदें बची हैं। मुस्कुराते हुए चेहरे इस क्रिसमस डे पर 60,000 की क्षमता रखता हुआ राजीव गांधी इंटरनेशनल स्टेडियम वेट कर रहा है कि कब वो बड़े शॉट्स लगेंगे और ये टोटल हम रीच करेंगे।
Absolutely missed out on the opportunity this time. Sudhir, I think we need Sudhir का एक मूवी आया था मेरे ख्याल से, बागी। उसने he acted very well, shown the quality of what an actor he was. All these South guys, young actors are very talented.
Very talented, and the industry, the South Indian film industry, is known for its professionalism, it's known for its dedication and its innovation. Bahubali has been an example of the milestone that the Indian film industry has achieved in terms of digital effects, and of course all the hard work and the length that goes into the production of these magnum opuses.
Absolutely, we need now Shantanu needs a wicket from his quota of another 3 balls left in this over.
Punched away, but will only get a single run. Well, they still have wickets in hand. They also have overs remaining. All they need to work on is application and use their acumen to further the cause and get to this total. Now let me tell you once again that this is the 6th match, and they need to figure out how to get to this total as soon as possible.
Prince in action now. Ah, he missed it. I think यहाँ पे मैं जहाँ तक मेरा सोच है, तेलुगु वॉरियर्स ने डिसाइड कर लिया है कि चाहे थोड़ा अटैक करें। उसी चक्कर में पहले 2 विकेट खो चुके हैं, उसके बाद they are not that comfortable.
जी बिल्कुल, जब आपके प्लान्स दे स्पिन ओवर देयर हेड, तब मनोबल में तो इजाफा नहीं हो सकता। 4 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 25 for 2। कोशिश करी थी तेलुगु वॉरियर्स ने कि अच्छी शुरुआत की जाए, पर उन 2 झटकों के बाद प्रिंस ने जिस तरीके से पारी संभाली हुई है वो काबिले तारीफ है। 16 रन की पार्टनरशिप हो चुकी है प्रिंस और सुधीर के बीच में। शांतनु अब गेंदबाजी का दारोमदार उठाएंगे और अखिल अखिनेनी, mercurial captain of the Telugu Warriors, a fine actor trained from the Lee Strasberg New York Film Academy, and the crowd is just elated to be here. Watch their local superstars in action. A capacity of 60,000. Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium is well versed with big games. 9 international matches have happened, 4 test matches and 5 one-day internationals. And this is the home of the Hyderabad Cricket Association.
Absolutely, Vineet. Hyderabad has really contributed very well in the Indian cricket. You have seen the famous from Shivlal Yadav to Lakshman to Oja, Raidu, ML Jaisimha, Arshad Ayub. You know, there's a list of stars who have played from here, and the contributions from this ground and this state association is a large. And target of 70 for Telugu Warriors at the moment. Looking little difficult, I would say, after losing 25, two wickets for 25 runs. And Saran Kumar comes in. After 4 overs. The next 2 overs, Vineet, it's very, very crucial for Telugu Warriors and for Chennai Rhinos to win the game.
Absolutely. Let's look at the fall of wickets once again. Sachin Joshi. That was the first wicket, and the fumble and the misunderstanding that happened between the wickets. Let the captain go back to the dugout, and the Chennai Rhinos celebrating, and the Saran is the new man in with the ball. The crowd is still cheering for the local heroes, plus we can see supporters for the Chennai team as well. It's a wonderful atmosphere over here on Christmas Day. And he tries to pluck it on the offside, but it will be intercepted by the fielder. They'll get a single run, a very easy single. Running between the wickets is something that you cannot lay too much importance on. Well, that was a mistake, but they could not capitalize on it because it didn't fall off, ricochet too far. And massive support for the Telugu Warrior. They are the local heroes, led by their captain, Akhil Akineni, who's been a fine cricketer himself, has led his team to 2 previous titles. But he's there in the dugout, hoping that these two will come through. There was an appeal, but in the middle of all that, there was a single that was taken, and it takes up the score to 27.
Saran Kumar needs a wicket for his Rhinos team. Prince looking to score runs for his Warriors. That's the one. Plays it nicely between long on and mid wicket. Oh, he missed on the second run opportunity there. Sudhir Kumar Saisley rightly says no. You can see this Akhil. That's the fan following for Akhil. He's a local boy and a star in the making. That you can see him on the center.
Well, that's a big one. That's a big one. And that gets the crowd on its feet. That's a big 6. And of course, Sudhir with the welcome shot takes the run to 34. And the bowler is not happy. Getting redressal from the captain, and that beautiful shot punched down the ground for a 6er.
Right from the middle of the bat. Absolutely. Puts into the stands. Big one.
Well, that's the kind of confidence we want to see after the fall of those 2 crucial wickets. Oh, that was pretty close. Well, Sudhir getting comfy in the zone. He's settling down. Remember, it's a short format. The last over is going to be very crucial. The last ball of the 5th over. And he punches it to the onside. And that takes the score to 35 for 2 after 5 overs.